What's up, what's up, what's up? Another day na naman. Another release. May-release tayo ng L300 Dual AC 3-2 months RCBC approval ni client. Sobrang baba ng monthly, sobrang baba ng down payment, sobrang daming discount. Clients natin is all the way from Balukok, Apalit, Pampanga.
Grabe, fast transaction tapos solid. Dito na kayo kumuha kay Sir John. Thank you Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Grabe, fast transaction tapos solid. Dito na kayo kumuha kay Sir John. Talagang thank you.
Sa mga gustong kumuha ng sasakyan, PM mo lang, the one and only Sir John Garcia Tolentino ng Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila.